Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am going to set up my 2019 planner, and I am going to use this, I think it's a Carpe Diem, yes, binder, and I have cute little thingies that I got from I don't know where. I think I got this at Michael's, and I may have gotten this there too, I don't even know, or maybe somebody gave it to me, I don't know, but it's a cute little pom-pom. And then I have some goodies in here that I've just had in here for a while. And then here is my new planner for 2019. And it is a plum paper planner. And it is a smaller size than my current one, but it's bigger than the personal. This is a true A5 from what I was told. And I need to punch holes in it and get it ready for this coming year. So what I'm going to do, I think, is grab an old planner page, and I don't know that I need these little plastic things, or do I want them to be on the outside? Maybe I do, maybe that would be nice, but I don't know if my little puncher will punch through this or not. I actually do have a puncher that should punch 6 holes. I wonder if I can find it real quick. I will be back. Well, you know your scrapbook room has turned into a scrapbook room when you have too much stuff to find what you're looking for. So I need to clean this for the new year for sure. But I have this punch and I'm going to try it and see if it will work. But I know I have a 6-hole punch, but I don't know if it would fit this size, but I know that it's repositionable or positionable, so I could probably make it fit, but oh well, I'll just go with this and see what we can do. I don't even know if it will cut it. I don't even know if I can get it in there far enough. Hold on a second. Oh, maybe this one will. Let me try this. One, 2. Halfway there. All right. So there's that. And it is the size. Oh no. Okay. Oh, I'm getting a little bit off. Yikes. So I don't know if you guys want to sit here and watch me do this, so I think I will speed this up and I will bring you guys back in a little minute. All right, so my hand is, this blue part is not a bruise, it's from the blue of this, but my goodness, you can see it's red, and whoo-wee. This was a lot of heavy squeezing for this. but I think it's worth it. I'm getting rid of the little thingies before I put this away. All right. Whew. So I went ahead and put the covers in, but I don't know if I will keep them in. We shall see. But here it is. And I've gone through the whole book. Ugh. Feels like those aren't closed very well. So I won't do that again. But I think that this will work. It's too full right now. I think I'm going to have to take out some things. Oh, maybe not. It's turning okay now. But I did notice that there's some neat home stuff in the back here that I will be able to use. Reflections, and it has some meal prep. I just have forgotten just because it's been a while. Some home maintenance and things like that. So like I said, it is a smaller monthly, or well, smaller monthly, but smaller daily also. I want to see how much smaller it is. I'm just going to take a checklist. Or I guess I could just take one of these. And it is quite a bit smaller. It's about 1/4 of an inch smaller. The paper feels the same though. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do this yet. I am not sure. I will have to figure that out because you know I have a lot of kits that I want to use, and I didn't use the folder, and also I asked for it to be sent to me unbound. Usually it has a spiral binding, so I asked for it to be sent unbound and not punched because they will either punch all of the holes for the spiral or leave it blank, and I obviously didn't want the holes for the spiral because I'm not using it in that way. And I guess I need to go through it and fill some things in. There's special dates, so I can write my birthdays down in there, and then ideas and plans and goals. I might do that with even some knitting ideas, and then we can just get started into January and do that. And then I have these that I thought I might try to incorporate in my tracker, and there's habits. That's kind of interesting. And goals. Huh. I kind of like it. So we'll see how that works out, and yeah, I will start using this when I do my plan with me next week. So yay. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.